Hi friends, welcome to WebChamp. In this video, I'm going to discuss what is the email subscription and data activator in Power BI. So you can use the email subscriptions to subscribe the report, dashboards, paginated reports on the Power BI service, so that you will get a snippet or the report in the form of PDF or in the form of PPT into your mailbox. So what is the minimum requirement for this is, first of all, you should have the Power BI Pro or premium license. So if you come to the Power BI user, if you go here, so here you will be able to see the license type. This is fine. So user license is Pro, even this is sufficient, but the workspace license should be Power BI premium capacity or fabric capacity. It works with the Pro workspace license, but that will have the limitations. So if your workspace license is, meaning if I go to the workspace setting here, you will be able to see the license info about the your workspace, right? And here I have a license which is of trial capacity, but this is a fabric trial capacity. So if your workspace license is Pro, in that case you won't be able to send the PDF or PPT in the email. Okay, so let's discuss how we can set up the email subscription. First of all, what you need to do is you need to enable the email subscription for the user from the tenant setting. So first of all, you should go to the admin portal. Inside the admin portal, you will be able to see export and sharing. Here you can find that option. User can set up email subscription. So this should be enabled by your admin, then and then only you will be able to do this. Okay, so now email subscription is enabled. Okay, let's open the report. You can open the paginated report also, but for the paginated report it works a little bit differently. We will see that in next video. So here we will subscribe. Okay, I don't have any visuals here, so let me select the other report. So let's select the order report. Right. So I would like to subscribe to this report. So how to subscribe? If I go to this ellipsis or in this ribbon only, you will be able to see this subscribe to report option, or you will only see subscribe. It depends. Now this is subscribe to report. So I will click on this. Okay. It will show you the list of subscriptions which are already applied on the report. Then here for every report, okay, for every report you can set maximum up to 24 subscription. That will provide the dashboard report for the unique recipients at a different time and frequency. You can schedule it. So we are just going to schedule the email subscription at that specific time. It will trigger an email of the report to that specific person. This is what the email subscription. So what you can do, you can add the subscription for yourself or for the other people's from the organization or outside of the organization. So there is no limitation. See, but report can be viewed by the people's in the PDF format or PPT. But if they wants to access the Power BI report, in that case, obviously, they need to have the license, Power BI premium license or pro license at least. So I will go and I will say schedule here. So let me create a new subscription. Okay, then let's pick the standard one. So I'll name the subscription as a test email subscription. Okay, so this is what the name, this is just a name for your subscription. Okay, here you can add the recipients from your domain or from the other domain, that is not going to matter. Let me say brahmavachuti at the rate, let me add my gmail. Okay, this okay, so when I add this email address, it will get added as an external user automatically. Okay, and it will throw the email. Okay, attach a full report. So if you want to attach a report, you can attach a report in the form of PDF, as I said, in the form of Microsoft PowerPoint or PPT. Right. So I will send the report in the form of PDF. Then what you want to do? Okay, send over the emails or send to the OneDrive. You can save the file on the specific OneDrive folder, or you can send the file, or you can share the report PDF on the SharePoint also. So these are the three options. Here we are going to see for email, right? Schedule date, I will select. If you want to keep the end date, you can select, otherwise it is fine. So I will set the frequency here. It should trigger on the daily, hourly, weekly, monthly basis. So as per your choice, or after a data refresh once daily. Okay, so after data refresh, as per your choice, you can select, right? Then timing we have selected at 11:30, and see here we have a option to schedule at 15 minutes interval. Then time zone is fine, right? Then I have some more options. I have some more options. You can enable this report summary by the Copilot preview if you want to get this, but your workspace should be enabled for the Copilot. Then only it is able to generate the summary by the Copilot. Then in more options, you can see that you can add the subject to the email. Okay, let me say test email subscription, or instead of test, I will say order order report email subscription. Okay, this is what my email name. In the message, you can say, hi, please find attached order report summary. Like this message, you can say thanks, and this is what the signature and all. Then if you want to attach the page, see here I have only one page, but if you have multiple pages in your report, and if you want to send the snippet of the specific page in the email as a body, you will be able to select the page here. Then here permission to view the report in the Power BI. So if you allow this, so this is like giving the permission to the users to view the report in the Power BI. Then link to the Power BI report. So if you want to add the link in the uh, email body for the Power BI report, that will get enabled. You can disable this report page preview. If you want to, whatever the page we are going to attach, if you want to add the preview of that page in the email body, you will be able to do that, right? And this is how I can set up the email subscription. This is fine. Then let me say save. Okay, email subscription is saved. Okay, so this is what we send something for the specific user, but we sent here the full report. Okay, if you want to send the specific page, if you want to send the customized report, you will be able to do that. So here this stand dynamic per recipient connect to a semantic model and send a unique view of the report to each recipient. So this is also possible, but this works or this need some more configuration, so we will see that in the subsequent video. So far, what I will do, I will create a one more subscription. So as many subscriptions you can add. So I will say test 2. This is the user. Let's say here I don't like to attach anything. Okay, for example, and I will say after data refresh. So as per the need, you can set, then subject and all everything you can add, and then you can see. So like this, you can create the 24 subscriptions per report. This is what I was trying to tell some time before, right? And you can send the different snippet in each subscription to the different user. So this is how these subscriptions can be managed. If you want to delete the subscription, you can delete. If you want to edit the subscription, you can edit from here, right? So now I'm going to delete. Let's say I would like to trigger this immediately. So I will say send now. So that option is available. So now let me open the Outlook for you to see. Okay, I'm just opening the Outlook. You need to wait until we receive an email. So this is saying updating inbox. Okay, updating sample. So email is not yet reached to my inbox, but the email has been sent. Here you can see that the status was, it was showing some maybe some time before. So we need to wait until the email receives. So similarly, the way we can subscribe to the report. Similarly, what we can do, we can use the data activator to set an alert. So how to set an alert? So at every visual level you will be able to set an alert. If you go to the visual, you can click on the ellipsis, and here there is an option to set an alert. Even on the top here you have options to set an alert, right? So here, so you can see that if I click on this also, it is asking me to select the visual. So profit by year, which visual you want to use for the trigger purpose. Okay, and let me say sum of profit by year and month. Okay, this is what I will select. So sum of profit, what it is automatically selecting the measure, because internally to create the visual, it has created a measure, right? Operator, you can say become greater than or equals to, become less than, change to, change from, right? Or changes. So as per your need, you can select what you want, the teams message you want, or you want an email. So I will say email. Okay, so whenever my okay, obviously we are it to define the conditions, it, right? So show save option. So location, so where you want to set this data activator job, you can define. So I will say I will select the same workspace. Then what you want to do, you want to create a new one activator item in the workspace. Yes, I want to do that. Then demo power bi alert. Okay, this is what the one. Now let me say create. So this will take some time to create the workspace item as a data activator. Here you can see that this is the icon, and then it will it will create an item inside the demo. Okay, so here create another alert you can create or open in the activator. So I am going to open that in activator because I have to set the threshold at what time it should alert me. Okay, so let's close this, and here you can say changes every time the condition meets. Okay, so here I will change the conditions. Let's say number changes, number increase, number decreases, 2 or below. Okay, this is what the value. So let me say I would like to, if my number or profit is goes down in any specific month, my profit is goes down below the 40,000, I would like to get an update. from this report, or I would like to get an alert from this report. This is what it tells me, right? So when the profit, sum of profit in the month decreases to 40,000 or below of that, then it should say occurrence every time the condition is met or when it has been true for. So let's select the every time the condition is met, right? And let me say, but this will work on your real time data. Okay, so make sure your data is a real time current data, or or we can say the live data which is getting updated frequently daily, or we can say that daily. Weekly is a long time for this data activator, but it is fine. So now if I come to the demo workspace, you will be able to see that one more item has been created, that is called I mean that is of type activator, that is not report and all, and which will trigger the email to the user based on the condition, whenever the condition met in the report. Now let's come back to the our email to see, okay, this is what the subscription I enabled, right? Test high. This is what the my message, this is here. You will be able to see the link to open the Power BI from this. This is the snippet of the report which we were seeing sometime before, at the time of subscription, and this is the summary, or this is the order report PDF, right? So this is how you will get the information on email from the Power BI service as an email subscription, right? So I hope you like the content of this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day. Please do not forget to subscribe WebChamp and enjoy the learning of, or enjoy the series of data analysis. Thank you.